Hello, my dear students. We discussed the chapter Time and Calendar. Is it? We already discussed what is AM, that is anti-meridian, and what is PM, post-meridian. After that, 24-hour clock format. Today we discuss the conversion of units of time. Are you ready? Okay. First, to convert hours into minutes. How to convert hours into minutes? You know, 1 hour is 60 minutes. Then how to convert hours into minutes? Check that. Here I wrote one example, that is convert 2 hours into minutes. We learned how to convert these 2 hours into minutes. Okay. Then we already know 1 hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. Okay. Then how to find out 2 hours? How to find out 2 hours? To convert 2 hours into minutes, multiply the given number of hours by 60. Multiply the given number of hours is 2. So we multiply the given number of hours into 60. We multiply 2 into 6. 2 6s are 12. Then add this 0. Is it hours or minutes? That is in minutes. So our answer is 2 hours is 120 minutes. One more example. Convert 5 hours. Convert 5 hours into minutes. How to convert these 5 hours into minutes? We have 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 5 hours, the given number of hours into 100. The given number is 5 into 60. 5 into 60. 5 6s are 30. Then add the 0. So this is in minutes. So 5 hours is equal to 300 minutes. The next example is convert 3 hours 20 minutes into minutes. Okay. First we want to convert this 3 hours into minutes. Clear? How to convert this? This 3 into 60. 3 6s are 18. Then add the 0. That is 180 minutes. Okay. There is 1 minute is here. That is 20 minutes. Then add that minutes. 180 plus 20 equals 200 minutes. Clear? 3 hours, 20 minutes equals 200 minutes. Understood this? First we want to convert 3 hours into minutes. That is 180 minutes. Plus 20 minutes equals 200 minutes. Understood? Next one is how to convert days into hours. Okay. We already know 1 day equals how many hours? That is 24 hours make 1 day. Okay. Then how to convert these days into hours? Okay. Multiply the given number of days by 24. Check that. Convert 2 days into hours. We already know 1 day equals 24 hours. 24 hours. Then 2 days. 2 days is the given number of days, that is 2. Here the given number of days is 2 into 24. 24 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So 2 days equals 48 hours. 48 hours. Clear? Then 5 days. 5 days. How to convert 5 days? Convert these days into hours. Yeah. 1 day, 24 hours. So 5 days. This 5 into 24. 24 into 5. 5 fours are 20. 5 twos are 10 plus 2, 12. 120 hours. 5 days means 120 hours. One more example. Convert 3 days, 10 hours into hours. First one. First convert these 3 days into hours. That is 3 into 24. 24 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 72 hours. Okay. Convert these 3 days into hours means 72 hours. 3 days. Answer 72 hours. Then there is one 10 hours. So we add that hours. 72 plus 10, 82. Total 82 hours. Understood?